Yo, good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to be talking about basically this is a top-down analysis on EURUSD, but with intermarket analysis also. That means we are going to be looking at USD USD CAD, USD JPY, and dollar index in general. So from here we'll be moving what? So this is EURUSD. So let's go over to EURUSD on the monthly time frame. Okay, so because this is going to be a long-term analysis. So EURUSD here on the monthly time frame, as you can see, if you look carefully, you see some zones where EURUSD can see as price actually right off it. But that is actually what, by the way, let me use this other EURUSD chart to do the analysis. Okay, let's use this. Now let's zoom in. We zoom in. Okay, so as you can see, EURUSD actually what, price, you see price what, if you check my Twitter, I posted about my top-down analysis discussing what I was anticipating on EURUSD. But here currently is clear. So here, look at this other block on the monthly as price actually what, mitigates it. Okay, see price mitigating it over here. Then if you look lower, you also see a fair value gap. That is an FVG right here, FVG here, over here. So this is an imbalance that you anticipate price to do what, fill. So now from the premium to discount, let's bring out our this. So let's actually anticipate from up here. This is actually a premium. Okay, let me just from high to low, right? This on the monthly, remember, this on the monthly time frame. So from this high to this low, you see that price actually what, came from discounts bought to premium. So you can see this equal half. This is the equilibrium, and you can see as this equilibrium have held as a strong support over the month. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is actually a strong support, the equilibrium. Why here? So you anticipating price, because now remember we have been on a downtrend on EURUSD. Let me pull out this. So from here to here, you can see this is a downtrend, right? But right here there was a break of structure. You can see right here. Okay, I'll be deleting this. Let me show you guys the break of structure where price actually, so over here there was a break of structure. So when you see a break of structure, and in a when you see price actually has been on a downtrend but now decide to break structure, you understand? So price broke structure. What do you expect? You anticipate a what, a retracement. So over here we saw the retracement, but it was not that deep. Look at where the retracement, the retracement came back to what, equilibrium, this equilibrium point, you understand? So let me pull out my test. Okay, let's just say here is premium. Sorry. Okay, yeah, I'll be editing my tests. Okay, I want to edit my test. Okay, let me just edit it from setting. I don't know, it's actually overlapping. So but right here is your premium, right? Here is your premium. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so I'll just caplock P, premium. Okay, then over here is what, discounts. Let's add another text. So that you understand what we are saying. Discount, that is D. Okay, then over here is what, equilibrium, that is the midpoint, right? Remember this on the, so let's just annotate that as E. Okay, so now you see price actually what, from the discount move over to the premium, and there was this other block. This is a PD area on the premium, which is this other block. Over here you can see as price actually react off here. So seeing that this price level 1.07800 actually a strong support, and that is where price is currently, right? That is where price is. So there was a break of structure at this particular moment. So price broke structure, put up here, tapped into here, retraced, then now tap into the other block, now retracing. So the early anticipation here is, since price have broke structure, we are bullish, and so far price has not taken out this low on the monthly. you're still gonna be what, bullish on EU. So this is actually on the monthly time frame, so it's gonna be a long-term trade. So anticipate price dropping lower to this fair value gap, right? Then you can anticipate price to take off here, to take out all these highs left. You understand? These highs, this particular highs up here. But now most times you might not even see this deep retracement. You might also see price, still just pushing higher. You understand? So overall, my overall, how will I put it? My bias on Euro USD is currently what? Bullish, right? Because it broke structure on the monthly heavily. But now it doesn't mean that I will keep what? Buying Euro USD. You understand? No. It's just that you actually what? Wait for a retracement. Most times retracement are this particular retracement. Now let's calculate the pips, right? Let's calculate the pips. So from here now, right? From here down to this FVG, this is around 700 pips. While from here down to the high is around 1400 pips, right? So this takes time, months. It might even take a year to happen, right? It might take a year to happen. So you might even see price just keep consolidating around here without not really, no major breakdown. But now let's move down to the weekly. Remember, this is a top-down analysis. So moving down to the weekly time frame, you start seeing things clearly. Okay, you can see right here. You can see right here. So price has been on an uptrend over here on the weekly also. Afterwards, creating now, you can see remodify your gap. So remodifying our gap now, as we can see from here, you can see that this is actually where the gap started. As you can see, overlapping this bearish candle. So this place is going to be a strong level, right? And it actually has strong affinity for price to come down. So what does it take now for price to actually tap into our anticipated order block, or sorry, fair value gap? So let's measure. So from here right now down to here, this is around 600 pips currently, 600 pips. So once price takes out this low now, okay, this is now short-term or intermediate trade. So I'll be removing this. I'm just trying to break down the market for better understanding. So that is why I'm doing all this in-depth analysis, as you can see right here. You understand? So once price actually takes out these lows, now you can see that it's also going to be a break of structure, right? So once price breaks these lows, you don't actually start selling, right? You still see a retracement. You understand? You still see a retracement, right? Once you see that retracement, probably OTE of the fib, then you can actually decide to take the sales to probably the sales are sorry. So this is the retracement. Okay, I don't have to draw my perfect line, just understand what I'm talking about. Then you now anticipate a sell that will be dropping down to this FVG. This for the weekly time frame. So this is actually how you anticipate all the moves. And remember, this is a massive pip trades. It's not like it's on 10 pips. So most people will want to scalp during intraday trading. Most people are seeing traders, they will just sell and hold, right? If you sell and hold, it will take time to play out, but it will definitely play out. And remember, today is the 1st of September, and by the way, happy new month to everybody watching this YouTube video currently. So anything you're seeing right here now is probably if you check the monthly candle, you see that it's actually dropping lower. So this is just a monthly expansion you're trying to see right here, right? Monthly expansion forming. So it's like price going lower this month is definitely sure, even from seasonal tendency, right? So that is by the way. So let's move over to the daily time frame. Now over to the daily time frame, you also see things more clear. You can see that price is already breaking low, but now this strong order block right here. So and you actually believe that price will definitely respect this level, right? So price will be respecting this level. Or you might also see price taking all this sell side liquidity right here. So all these lows might also, because these were people that are trying to buy, they will up their stop losses are this low. So you might see price sweeping these lows. You see price sweeping these lows actually. And what is the measurement from where price is currently to those lows? Let's measure. So if you take this trade right now, this is a 120 pips trade. Okay, but now it might not sell straight because it's just Friday. So by next week, you might actually see price retrace a bit, but not taking out this side, because once price takes out this side, it's a change in market structure. And what are you going to be targeting? You'll be targeting higher, which is this fair value gap right here. So overall, even on the daily now, I'm even anticipating price to start buying from this level currently. I want to see price actually push up, but remember it must not happen, right? But now is what you actually look out for. This is a long-term analysis. You're not trying to be perfect, but these are things you're looking out for, in which once you see, it is giving you what? Confluence, right? So price retracing is there, price not retracing is also there. You can see, just end up seeing price just going straight up to take out maybe fundamentals or any news that comes out, will affect the outcome of the market, right? So that is actually it. But now in this case, market today is Friday, weekly closure, monthly, early Monday. So by next week, might anticipate it, because now if you break down into the 1 hour time frame, today was NFP, right? You can see the NFP drop. So probably it might be that the fundamentals is causing the non-farm payroll came out bullish for the US dollar, right? Non-farm payroll came out bullish for the US dollar, so that is why we are seeing this drop on Euro USD. So let's move out to DYDX for another for confluence right now, because you don't actually just analyze one pair and so let's move out this DXY, sorry, on the let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, this is the daily time frame. Probably overall I've been bullish on that. If you check, you see this. Okay, let's move to the monthly. If you see things clear, I've actually just anticipated my analysis. So you can see this big imbalance right here, and I just believe that this imbalance on the premium, right, this is where price is driving to. Because now if you also draw your premium and discount levels, that is, let's say from this high to this low, see our price is at what? Discounts right here currently. So you buy at discount, you sell at premium. So you selling here is probably not just ideal, but you selling up here, yes, you're selling at a premium price, but you selling here doesn't mean that price cannot retrace. Price can definitely retrace, but as it stands currently, just anticipating price to fill these imbalances, dive into the premium before retracing lower to come for these lows right here. So overall, you see price is bearish, but now you're also anticipating that move that will cause the bearishness. Okay, if you want to backtest now, let's just say, okay, right here when price was here, price broke structure lower. You can see it was bearish, broke lower. Now you see price retracing to take out this side before coming back down low again. So you want to see price come to this low, does not mean that price will come to this low straight up, right? In this case now, you wanted to see price come to this let's say this low, but now you saw how this rapid movement upwards before it now eventually came to the lows, and now the market is consolidating. So in the market shock, actually four things the market does is probably you see consolidation, expansion, retracement, right? So currently it's consolidating. Maybe an expansion is anticipated very soon by next week or two. Then you see a retracement, just a circle, consolidate, expand, retrace, right? Or reverse, as some people say. So that is basically my outlook and my analysis currently on dollar. Also, I talked about BTC the other day. Also anticipating Bitcoin price to move to like 30k, although I have a trash analysis on BTC USD, right? But that is yeah. Let me go back to the SY currently. So once again, more updates do drop on our Telegram channel. Okay, so do well to join our Telegram channel. The link is at the video description below. Then if you want to actually get more updates, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I do also drop updates, you understand, on Instagram and Twitter. So do well to follow me. All the links will be at the video description below. So this is Bitcoin right here, breaking lower. So probably to take a long time to do. Some people are still bearish, anticipating these lows to be taken out, but we'll just watch. Although I've been bearish on Bitcoin, right? This is my analysis on Bitcoin. This has been my analysis on Bitcoin. You can see. So this is just a retracement. Probably I was just tapped into this first, still going low. So this low should be a take profit one. So price taking out 24,900. This lows will be swept out before any bullish move or anything is actually anticipated. So that is that for Bitcoin. I believe we have talked about dollar index. Remember, this dollar index we are talking about, this is on the monthly time frame. Please. This is the monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame can take a whole lot of time to play out, right? it will take a even it can take up to a year to even reach this high we actually point out right here, unless there is actually a strong fundamental or yeah, a strong fundamental that can actually what make price to go or move rapidly. You understand? It's actually a strong fundamental that will, make price move rapidly. So that is that for that. If you have any question, do well to drop it on the comments. Do well to ask me, right? I'll be replying anybody that actually asks any comments that actually requires a response. So once again, thank you for watching this YouTube video, and bye bye.